guys, morning. So today is a Sunday and we did not have our Sunday ride, so I'm kind of pissed off right now. So today we're gonna talk about my Shoei X-14 Brink helmet. So before we talk more about it and I give you a complete comprehensive detailed review about it, I'm gonna go do a small ride, come back, and then we're gonna talk about this helmet. Stay right there, I will just go. Shh, come back. Shh. Alright guys, I'm back. So talking about the helmet, Shoei calls this model as two, like X-Spirit 3 and X-14. I'm going to call it as X-14, and this is the same helmet which Mark Marquez uses it in MotoGP, and it was very kind of Shoei to sell it in multiple color variants, and man, let me tell you, all of those colors looks absolutely stunning. The one which I got is this X-14 Brink color, and talking about the price, this costs around $899 in the US, and in India it's like $75,800. In case you're looking to buy, you know whom to contact, get in touch, info@sbkstore.in. Boom. So in April 2018, I sold my AGV Pista GP helmet after using it for like I guess 5 years, and then I went ahead and got this X-14 Brink because I love these colors and it goes so well with my bike colors as well. So I have logged around I guess 1000 miles with this helmet and I'm finally ready for a detailed review. Now let's talk about the box content. So this is the box which you normally get when you buy a Shoei X-14 or X-Spirit 3 helmet. So inside the box you of course get the helmet and the nice padding stuff, and this helmet comes with one clear visor. So I have got one extra photochromatic visor because I hate clear visors, and then the helmet bag, and of course the pin lock, and lot of accessories which I've already installed like the breath guard, chin strap, chin guard, and lot of extra stuff. It's already installed, so I'm gonna show you to you right now. So that's I guess that's pretty much it, and some more small goodies inside the box like silicone, stickers, manual warranty, and Shoei gives like 5 years warranty for this helmet. That is pretty neat. Now talking about the design, this is the race helmet, this is the track helmet, this is built to go fast with you. About the weight, it's little heavy. I have the M size and it's like 1.6 kilo. It's like 200 grams more than the AGV Pista GP. Completely fine. It's just so well built that you do not even feel that extra 200 grams. And it's made up of carbon fiber, fiberglass completely, which makes it look sick and light both. The best thing I love about this helmet is the rear part, which looks so premium and it makes you feel like you are already in a racetrack. Now talking about the features, this helmet has the best ventilation system I have ever come across for any of the helmets in the world. This has like 6 vents on the front and like 6 vents on the back. Pretty neat. And the breath guard is right spot on position. The chin curtain cuts out the extra wind from going into the helmet. The lower air spoiler cuts out the wind and doesn't let it enter the helmet. The visor supports pin lock lens. The pin lock lens is included in the box. The visor locking mechanism has extra adjustment levels, and it has the EQR, is the emergency quick release system. Now what are the best thing which I love about this helmet? The first is this rear winglets, the rear spoiler part, the rear wing part. This looks absolutely gorgeous. And the second is this visor mechanism system. Whoops. Yeah. So in AGV, if you get your visor up something like this, so normally when you are higher speeds or like cruising, it's gonna fall. But this has like locks at every position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 locks. Wow. Love this thing because normally we are touring and doing stuff and I do not want this visor to be always on the top of my head. Anyway, so those are the 2 best things which I love about this helmet. The third is at higher speeds, this helmet is really stable. It doesn't even move by an inch. Now talking about the ventilation system, let me show it to you how it works. On the front, this is the one which helps the air to flow into the cheek pads. It needs to be on like this. If you want to close it, just switch it off. And here is again the front vent. 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0. Front vents, cheek vents, then top, here is the one, on, off, on, off. I keep it on. All of those ventilation always on for me. And for this one, those are the hidden holes. This way needs to be on, off, on, off. For the back, almost all of the 6 vents are hidden. You cannot control it because all of them are open. So here are 3, 1, 2, 3, and then one huge one on this side, and then on the back on this hidden. So ventilation top notch. Now let's see how does it look on the head. It needs to stay something like this. So this is how the vision needs to be there on the road, because this helmet is built like you have to be on the tank all the time, all the time, all the time. Love it. You see how it fits well? Ventilation, ventilation, ventilation. It's all about ventilation. Boom. So that's all about this helmet, the Shoei X-14 Brink. So if you have got any questions about this model, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking to purchase the same helmet but a different graphics, let me know. You know the email address, info@sbkstore.in. If you have got any questions again, let me know. So smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time. Peace.